In this video, we're going to go over how to connect StreamerBot with OBS so that StreamerBot can control OBS and also be triggered by OBS. It makes it a two-way communication. So first things first, inside of OBS itself, we need to make sure to go to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings. Inside of these settings, we need to make sure we have Enable WebSocket Server enabled. The server port, you can leave default 4455 unless you have a reason to change it. By default, enable authentication is checked. Click generate password, click OK. Go back to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, and go ahead and click on Show Connect Info. Now, the server password, go ahead and click on Copy, and then you can close this. We'll leave this server settings window open though, so we can make sure our connection shows up here. Inside of StreamerBot itself, Stream Apps, OBS Studio, right-click the blank area in the middle, Add. The name we're going to give it is just going to be OBS. Version we're going to leave to v5.x. The host we're going to leave as 127001. The port 4455 is the default. And then the password you can go ahead and paste in, auto connect on startup, and reconnect on disconnect. Go ahead and click on OK. Now it says unknown for now, but if we right click this OBS line here that showed up at the bottom, we can click on connect. And now we can see it shows our current scene here. And inside of OBS, we can see our local connection, how long it's been running. So if we hit inside of OBS, we can see it's disconnected here, and then I'll fast forward 30 seconds and it should connect again. We are connected and it shows our stream status as not recording, not streaming. And then inside of OBS, we can actually see that it's connected here again for 13 seconds. Go ahead and click on OK inside of OBS. And that's it. Now StreamerBot can either control OBS itself or have things triggered off of OBS.